Okay, all. We decided to come out today. This is October the 16th. And we got to pick our rattlesnake pole beans again. This will be the 6th picking this year. We've been eating these pole beans since about end of July. And they're still producing. We're still getting beans off them. And that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to make another picking off them. Okay, we walked on over here to the rattlesnake pole beans growing around the old clothesline post. And as you can see, there's quite a few on up in there. And here again, there's a whole lot of them we're going to have to use the ladder for. But we should be able to get quite a few up on out of here. So we're going to set this camera down, pick what we got, and we'll show you what we harvested when we're done. Stay with us. Okay, we've got everything we can reach. And we went ahead and got it here in the bag. So, like is normal here at Deep South Bama, we're going to have to go get a step ladder. And as you can see, we got many more up in there. And we're going to have to get that step ladder and get these picked. So we'll be back. We'll set the camera up so you can actually see us climbing up there getting them. Okay, y'all, let's set up the camera. Hopefully it'll stay on. We're going to head on up this ladder and pick the remaining ones on this side. Okay, we got the ladder set up. For whatever reason, the camera keeps wanting to shut down. Hopefully it'll catch it on this side. So we're going to set it up on the ground and see if it'll keep you with us. Well, I don't know how much the camera caught of that, folks, but here's what we've wound up with right here. And for just 11 plants, our 6th picking, I'm damn happy. We'll take these on in the house, dump them out on the counter, show you what we got today. We'll be back in just a moment. Okay, we came on back in the house. Here's our bag of green beans, rattlesnake pole beans that we picked. We'll just dump them out on the cupboard here, real countertop. Let's see what we got today. Now understand, this is the 6th picking from 11 plants. Actually, we're down to 10 because I lost one. A deer ate it. There we go. That's number 6 picking for just now 10 rattlesnake pole bean plants. And we've been picking these since end of July. You can look back on my videos. They were put in late June. So they've provided all season long, and we really have enjoyed them. So if you're looking for a green bean, pole bean that's going to provide for you all season long, especially in the deep south where there's going to be drought conditions, it's going to be extremely hot and humid, I highly recommend the rattlesnake pole bean. Now we got this seed from Ohio Heirloom Seeds. if you could, check them out. And next year, maybe you too will put these in. Oh, and so you don't think, oh, Mr. Tom lost his mind, you're going to see some rather fat green pods in here. These are not green beans. We went ahead and picked the okra that was planted on either side of those rattlesnake pole beans. That's Clemson spineless okra. Just wanted to throw that in there in case somebody noticed. Now this just wasn't a pile of green beans. Yep, we got a little bit of okra today. Not a lot, but it will make a mess for us later tonight for our dinner. And we'll go ahead and cut all that up as well, wash it on up, and we'll fry it up for dinner. So there you have it, folks. Well, till next time, folks, we're going to have to leave you. We got to get these beans washed up and snapped and get them ready to freeze. So y'all take care, stay safe, God bless, goodbye for now.